gold coins, silver bars, collectible pieces. If you're new to precious metals, the choices can feel overwhelming. How do you know which one fits your retirement plan? When you step into the world of precious metals, you quickly find there's no one size fits all option. Bullion coins, like American Eagles, are government minted and easy to buy or sell. Bars and ingots, they're often the most cost efficient way to buy larger amounts of gold or silver. Numismatic coins are collectible pieces that can carry extra value beyond the metal content, while jewelry can be both wearable and an investment. The Why Precious Metals Guide lays out the pros and cons of each type, so you can match your choice to your strategy. Whether you are focused on quick liquidity, long term value growth, or simply holding a tangible store of wealth. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Gold and Silver IRA and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a clear, confident start in precious metals investing. I've linked this one in the description. If you want a clear breakdown of your gold and silver options without the overwhelm, download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's free, practical, and made to help you choose the right metals for your retirement goals. You will find the link in the description.